Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. And Eid Mubarak to everybody, my family and my friends, of course my YouTube family. So Eid Mubarak to everybody. Have a nice Eid tomorrow. So I'm going to be cooking a lot of dishes for Eid party, inshallah. And I'm going to give you a recipe for today, chicken tikka masala. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we need. Okay friend, to make chicken tikka masala, I have 1.5 pound of chicken breast, boneless, and I have some yogurt, curd, hand curd, yogurt, thick yogurt, and then I have some lemon juice, about 1.5 spoon of salt, and I have some red chili pepper, 1 spoon, and I have garlic and ginger paste, 2 spoons, and I have a coriander powder, 1 spoon, cumin powder, 1 spoon, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 spoon, because that gives a pretty color, so I'm not putting the color, so I'm going to use that. Then we have a turmeric, 1/2 spoon. Then we have a garam masala, 1/2 spoon, and then I have a kasuri methi for gravy. We need tomatoes. I've chopped 4 tomatoes, and then I have 1 large onion for the gravy, and this kasuri methi goes in the gravy, and also some cashew nuts goes in the gravy, and some heavy whipping cream. Okay, for the first marination, we are going to put lemon juice, about 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon, and turmeric, and some salt. Okay, that's all we are going to put it for the first marination. Oh no, garlic and ginger paste, sorry. It's all going to go for the first marination. With this first marination, the spices, the salt will go all the way inside, and with the lemon juice is get tender, the meat get tender, and with the garlic and ginger, you're not going to have this meaty smell. So then we're going to do the second marination. Okay, let's go do the second marination. For the second marination, let me go show you how to do it. Okay, let's go. Okay, for the second marination, we will heat up some oil. Maybe about 1.5 spoons. We'll put this Kashmiri red chili powder in the bowl. Once this oil is hot, we'll put it in there. We will put it in the Kashmiri red chili powder, so it's going to give you the color. You don't have to put the color for the okay, let's see. It's hot. How nice color you got it. So then you can mix the rest of the ingredients in there. Coriander powder, red chili powder, pepper, and garam masala, cumin powder, and some yogurt. The yogurt is so thick. all these ingredients in here. Okay, so we're gonna let it marinate this for at least 2 hours. Then we will come back and cook this chicken and make the gravy. Okay? See you in about 2 hours. See? It looks pretty. Okay, see you in about 2 hours. Okay friends, we're gonna be cooking chicken now. We're gonna doing chicken tikka. Okay, it's same as only thing is I'm not using a skewers. If you want, you can use the skewer, wooden skewers, or maybe metal skewers, whatever you want to use. But I'm not using any of those things. I'm just gonna be putting it in there. Directly in the pan. Okay friends, I think my pan is warm. I'm going to start putting the chicken in there, adding chicken pieces. So one at a time. So let's see. Okay, we are gonna cook like at least 3-4 minutes one side, and we're gonna cook 3-4 minutes another side. I think the salt is gonna be sitting in the pan, so we might have to do it twice. Okay. I just get the pretty color from both sides. Okay, it's almost 3-4 minutes. I'm going to turn this around. This is beautiful, like it. Just did the barbecue. I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to let it cook this side for 3-4 minutes. Then I'll come back. Okay, our chicken tikka is ready. Now we are going to make masala. So chicken is ready. Some more chicken. Now we're gonna get masala now. Okay. Okay, we will be making gravy. Actually, this gravy they make it in the mustard oil. I am not very big fan of mustard oil. If you like mustard oil, you can make it. I put a little bit canola oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. Optional, but I think I'm going to add some. So, and onions, I really chopped it in the food processor, so it's like a shredded almost. So I'm going to add these onions in there and fry them. until they're a little bit brown and cook a little bit. Then we are going to add the rest of the stuffed tomatoes and everything. Okay, let's see. I'll come back in a few minutes after the onions is a little bit brown. We're not going to really fry very brown, but it has to be a little bit of brownish. So you have to cook the onions. Raw smell has to go away from the onions. Okay, the onions is a little bit cooked and softer. We don't want to do it like a brownish, so it's like a change some color. So we're gonna put rest of the spices in there. Some Kashmiri red chili powder, the color, and red pepper. Garlic and ginger paste, garam masala, haldi, turmeric, a little bit of coriander powder and some cumin powder. Fry for 2 minutes. Then you're going to add tomato puree. Okay. Very good. I grinded all the tomatoes and made the puree. Now we're going to cook this until the water evaporates and you have to cook at least 10-15 minutes to the tomatoes and onions. Okay, I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes until just release the oil. Until then I'm going to cook this. All the water has to evaporate and the oil has to come out. It will take at least 10-15 minutes. Okay, I'm adding some yogurt, couple of spoons of yogurt. This is gravy, and I grinded the cashew nuts. I'm going to add this. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding this kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves. Now I'm going to cook again until the water evaporates completely. The gravy gets thicker. We're going to add chicken. Okay. Okay friends, this is all dry now. All the water is evaporated. butter is coming out of the masala. So I'm gonna add this chicken. Add a little bit of water. You're gonna cook for a few minutes. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to cover this. Cook for 10 minutes and it will be ready. Okay. Let me show you how it looks. Oh, it looks so good. Our chicken tikka masala is ready to serve. I'm going to be, one more thing I have to add. It's optional. If you want, you can add. It's a heavy whipping cream. Otherwise, you don't have to add. If you want it, this gives a little bit better flavor. Okay. That's it. In India, if you don't have heavy whipping cream, you can add malai. You change the color. It's not red anymore. Okay, I'm gonna put in the serving dish. I'm gonna show you how it looks after I put in the serving dish. Okay, I'm gonna serve it in the serving dish. Okay. Hi. Our chicken tikka masala is ready to serve. You can serve with roti, naan, paratha, or maybe plain rice. Is going to be taste very good with it. Anything, not biryani though. So it's a very good dish. Try to make it for the Eid, this Eid inshallah. I think a lot of people will be liking this dish.